Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix black myth, black myth Wukong crashing, lagging, and you're facing so many issues while playing this game. Of course, this game requirement, the graphics requirement is a little bit high than the others compared to the games because this is a new generation game. That's why this could be the reason. So let me show you how you can fix this. So first of all, you have to open your task manager. You can just go to search bar here and you can look for task manager. And why I'm saying you the task manager, the very important thing is that first of all you have to go to the startup apps, and the startup apps generally are those apps which you don't see it in your whenever you open your laptop or PC, but these apps get operated in the background. So whenever you just start your laptop, automatically this apps will start on its own and you will not get an IA. It's always shown here, by the way. Right, so here if you don't need, for example, you can see here LinkedIn I don't need, that's why disable. Right, these are the enable and these are the disable. So I've disabled most of this stuff here. Right, for example, this is a VPN and this is a uTorrent, Epic Game Launcher, Steam. I've already disabled all this stuff. And same goes for the Discord and everything, because it gets started on its own. Right, so these are the first thing. The second thing, you have to go to the search bar and here you have to look for edit power plan or choose a power plan. So let's go one by one here. If you're using a laptop, then just go for the balance. Right, and mine is a laptop but I'm in the turbo mode. Right, so I'll just go in the balance section here, and once I go here you can always change it. If you using a laptop or PC, then here you will get another option. Right, on the high performance you can choose the high performance here. Right, same way you have to again go to the search bar and here again you have to look for edit power plan. Now click on it, it will open up here. Now click on change advanced power settings. Once you do here, a new box will open up. Now here you have to go to the PCI or process power management. Well, this is very important and this can lead you to a high FPS. It will give you high FPS too. So here you can see here minimum processor state. Right, now this is my laptop. Is in your case it will not show you in the battery if you're using a PC, but plugged in will definitely show you, or there will be show any one option. So you have to make this, you can reduce 2-3%. It will be in 100%, then you can just make it to the 95 or 90. Right, same way goes here maximum. So you can set here maximum to the 100 and minimum to the you can don't take minimum too low, because then it will just completely close your game suddenly. So I will advise you don't go below 90 or 85, and in the maximum you can just reduce up to 2-3%. So here you can just go and I always play games and plugged in, so I will make it here 95. Once everything is done, just go and click on apply. So your temperature will not go above this. For example, if your typical temperature goes around 70 degree, then it will when you just play the games after the settings which I've shown you, the game will be run in around 65 or 60. Right, so it will reduce the temperature to low, and this will help your laptop and PC in the long run, because it will increase their health, as well as the game will give much more high FPS to you. So I have applied this on my own games. Right, and it's worked really almost on every games. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.